In this video, let's talk about how to use giveaways in your webinars.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
A lot of people think that they should have attractive giveaways to attract people, but they are not too effective to draw people into your webinar because people need to come for your content, not the prize. If they come for the prize, they're probably the wrong audience. You should use prizes to tease something at the end or to raise engagement and people's involvement in the webinar. So you can reward a top question or a top comment, and you don't reward it with like something random, not like a Starbucks gift card, because who cares about that, honestly? But what you should do is give a discount coupon or something that gets them closer to buying. So you can say, if you stay for the end of the webinar, I'm going to give you a discount coupon for how you can buy the same thing but a lot cheaper. So they'll stay, they'll listen, and you'll have more of a chance to sell to them. Or you can say something like, if you share our webinar or my business on social media by using our hashtag, I'll choose one winner, for an extra discount for somebody who uses the hashtag. And guess what? That gives you extra marketing. And in any case, whoever is hashtagging, whoever is staying towards the end, you can mention them by name, you can engage them. That will make them feel more special, more involved, and they'll be more likely to buy. So that's really how to use prizes and giveaways to encourage engagement and for them to stay longer.